Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create velocity video editing on Capcut for Instagram Reels. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Capcut application and I'm going to open the project I have just created. Okay, and for Instagram Reels, I'm going to change the ratio. I'm going to go to the ratio and then I'm going to choose this 9:16 ratio, which is suitable for Instagram Reels. Okay, and wait guys, I'm going to adjust it. I'm just going to zoom in to fit the screen. Okay, now it's done, and then I'm going to add music to this project. So I'm going to select audio and then sounds. And for example, I'm going to choose music or sounds from Capcut. I'm going to select the beats category. Okay, and let me choose the music guys. I'm going to choose this one for instance. Make sure you have good internet connection if you want to use audio from Capcut, because we need to download the audio before we add it to our project. Okay, and now the audio has been downloaded and I'm going to add this audio to my project. Okay, and to create velocity video in Capcut, we're going to apply velocity effect. We can tap on our video and then go to the effect and select style. Okay, and we're going to use auto velocity to create velocity editing. I'm going to select this flash velocity because it's free. Okay, and then the velocity will be automatically created based on the beat on our audio. Okay, just hold on guys, we need to wait until 100%. It's almost done. Okay, now it's done, and this is the final result. Alright, and once you're ready to save the video, you can click on export and the video will be saved to your gallery and you will be able to share it to your Instagram Reels. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create velocity video on Capcut for Instagram Reel. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.